Most people use AI backwards. They open a chatbot, ask it to make a presentation, and then spend the next hour fixing vague points, generic bullets, and facts they cannot trust. The better way is simple. Use AI as a workflow assistant, not as the source of truth. In this video, I will show you a practical workflow for turning research into a useful document, outline, or presentation. The workflow has 6 steps. Define the question. Collect sources. Extract claims. Build the structure. Draft the content. And fact-check before using it. Step 1. Define the question. Do not start with a vague prompt like, "Make me a presentation about remote work." That gives AI too much room to invent the structure and decide what matters. Use a tighter question instead. What are the main reasons small companies adopt AI tools, and what risks should they consider? That question has a subject, an audience, and a decision. Here is a better prompt. Help me turn this topic into a research plan. My audience is beginners. I need a practical presentation, not a sales pitch. Give me the key questions to answer, the source types to look for, and the claims that need verification. Notice the difference. You are not asking AI for the final answer. You are asking it to create a research map. Step 2. Collect sources. This is where weak AI content usually breaks. If AI gives you facts without sources, treat them as suggestions, not truth. Collect 5 to 10 sources yourself. Official docs. Product pages. Reports. Public datasets. Trusted articles. Or your own notes. Then paste your notes into AI and say, summarize these notes into key points. Separate confirmed facts from interpretation. Do not add outside claims. If something is unclear, mark it as uncertain. That sentence matters. Do not add outside claims. It keeps AI from mixing your real notes with invented filler. Step 3. Extract claims. Before writing anything, ask AI to create a claim table with 3 columns. Claim, source note, and confidence level. Mark every claim as confirmed, needs verification, or opinion. This is useful because a presentation is basically a sequence of claims. If the claims are weak, the presentation will feel weak. For example, this is weak. AI tools save businesses a lot of time. This is stronger. AI tools can reduce repetitive admin work when they are used for narrow tasks like summarizing notes, drafting first versions, or organizing information. It is more careful, more useful, and easier to support. Step 4. Build the structure. Do not ask for a generic outline. Ask for a specific format. Turn these claims into a 7-minute presentation outline. Use this structure: problem, why it matters, 3 main points, risks, and practical next steps. Keep each section short and include one example. Now AI has a frame. That gives you a cleaner outline and fewer vague sections. Step 5. Draft and convert to slides. Ask for a first draft, but keep the rules tight. Write a first draft from this outline. Keep the tone clear and practical. Avoid hype. Do not introduce new facts. Mark anything that still needs verification. Then convert the draft into slides. For each slide, give me the title, 1 key message, suggested visual, and speaker note. Keep slide text short. A good slide deck is not the script pasted onto slides. Each slide should do one job. Step 6. Fact check. This is the step most people skip. Go back to the claim table. Every important claim should be confirmed, removed, or rewritten more carefully. If a sentence says, companies are saving 40% of their time, you need a source. If you do not have one, rewrite it. Some teams use AI to reduce repetitive work, especially tasks like summarizing, drafting, and organizing information. Less flashy. More trustworthy. So here is the full workflow. Define the question. Collect sources. Extract claims. Build the structure. Draft the content. Turn it into slides. And fact-check before using it. AI should help you move through the workflow faster. It should not replace your judgment. Start with one small research task this week. Use the workflow once. Save the prompts. Then improve the system every time you use it. That is how AI becomes useful. Not as a magic button, but as a repeatable process.